Hello everyone, thanks for all of your entries. We were overwhelmed by the response to the competition and we've loved listening to all of your tracks.
In fact, we had to hire a Royal Air Force helicopter to assist with dropping off all of the submissions at Air Horns HQ.
It's not been easy, but we've finally managed to whittle it down to our 3 finalists and we need your help.
Yes, we're going to play a clip of each track for you now and we want you to vote for the best track.
If you want to hear the full length tracks, click the SoundCloud link in this video. Here we go!
So get voting now by commenting with your favourite track on this video.
From Air Horns HQ, over and out.